So in this video we're going to study the relations of pancreas. The pancreas has four parts: the head, neck, body and tail. So the head of the pancreas, external feature head of the pancreas consists of three borders, and superior border, inferior border and right lateral border. We have two surfaces, anterior surface and posterior surface, and we have one process which is arsenite process. And relations of the head of the pancreas. So anterior border is related to the first part of duodenum and superior pancreatico-duodenal artery, and inferior surface is related to inferior pancreato-duodenal artery and third part of duodenum. The right lateral surface is related to anterior and posterior pancreatico-duodenal artery and third part of duodenum. And the anterior surface is related to the transverse colon, transverse mesocolon, gastroduodenal artery and jejunum. The posterior surface is related to inferior vena cava, the bile duct, left renal vein and the right crus of diaphragm. So the uncinate process anteriorly is related to the superior mesentery vessels and posteriorly it's related to the abdominal aorta. So we'll study the external features of neck. So we have two surfaces, the anterior surface, posterior surface, two borders, superior border, inferior border. The relations of the neck. So anterior surface is related to the pylorus. The posterior surface is related to the commencement of portal vein. The superior border is related to the first part of duodenum, and the inferior border is related to transverse mesocolon and transverse colon.
So the continuation part will be the body of the pancreas. Body of the pancreas will be studied in four parts: anterior border, superior border, inferior border, and anterior surface, posterior surface and inferior surface. Anterior border is related with the splenic artery, colic artery and right hepatic artery. The inferior border is related with the superior mesenteric vessels, and the anterior surface is related with the lesser sac and the stomach, and the inferior surface is related with the origin of superior mesenteric artery, and inferior surface is related with the totally four structures. First is duodenal flexure and related to the left colic flexure and the coils of the jejunum. The tail is related with the visceral relations of the spleen, which are totally three: lienorenal ligament, splenic artery and the splenic vein. Thank you.